This is now 10th Sharp iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 4, St. Eloy Lupopo 5. Puti kunjani?
Bafo, bashana, bhekani kumina. Bhekani bashana. Okay.
Thina asikwazi lokho esikotini, thina sikwazi lokho.
Bazo bashana. Bashana siyakwazi lokho esikotini.
Asikwazi.
Niyayibona ke impi yebhola bashana. iSundowns ka ngaphansi ngapha uveze iflag lana leLimpopo. Shoda umuntu waseLimpopo. Ubuye Limpopo usupporta iSet Limpopo.
I do this because while I'm playing World Cup, June, DRC, Namibia, Congo, Egypt, 12 o'clock they didn't sleep watching Mamelodi Sundowns. Why today I must appreciate them today. Even tomorrow they playing again against Pirates. I will behind. I will support this.
If that team tomorrow is going to play against Sundowns. Tell us the truth. You want to know the truth.
I want CAF to concede Mamelodi Sundowns only.
Today you
tomorrow I'm gonna support.
Okay,
Sandawana against Kaizer Chiefs.
Sandawana. Today you want to tell us good. Our president Petrus Mtsipe, CAF leadership president of us. Mayibona umlandeli weSundowns a supporter against team edlala nePirates as yena umlandeli weOrlando Pirates Football Club. Do you think uzojabula?
Oh no! Now I know there is a pain. The time I play against Pyramids, the time I play against Borussia Dortmund.
Don't hold the mic,
The problem is for Sundowns. This team wearing yellow. You see? I'm supporting Mamelodi Sundowns.
Maybe asimnike any chance ngoba shuthi naye namabhakani amanye anokusupporta amaqembu angaphandle.
Amamenemene nawo. Uma umenemene bafuna
kubalekela.
Asingakubalekela ukuthi uma umenemene bafo bengibacele bafo ake ngithi nje okokuqala angibonge abalandeli bebhola ngileni bonke ama-branch we-Orlando Pirates Football Club ngibonge all individuals supporters ngibonge ama-team wonke abethe mangasimemeza sithi fill up Orlando Stadium abakhona. It's not a shock uma ngibona Sandawana difake yonke attire ya the team. I was not a shock because bengibabise bonke ukuthi no let's fill up because thina sesigodini la bengibana ukuba ngitheni uwema Congolese weli pop ngintshela ngathi noncengo unyoko sesigodini la asinenge thina sesigodini la noncengo unyoko ubonile 3-0 down. We forced to come back.
Pirates play
penalty.
Exactly.
Penalty is for everyone.
Lottery,
It's a lottery, exactly.
Pirates play beautiful football, but finally we need to congratulate the winner.
Okay.
No, even as you are the winner, because today we're winning 3-0.
Exactly.
And then that's the. Because this is a competition.
Exactly.
We should be penalty shootout. No one can guarantee. But anyway, Mapagania, thank you very much. Your vibe you teach at Scottin, spot on. I love you. Once a pirate, always a pirate. Let's see. Gamanges Mafetu, we canning cup as Isha. Abash.
Bopa.
Thank you.